The best news ever. Here's what not to buy at Target that you can find at Dollar Tree instead. And what's more than that, I'm sharing with you some of my favorite hacks. Plus, because this is a positive place, my bonus dollar spot finds. This is the dollar store equivalent in Target that you want to keep your eyes peeled for. My first big no from Target are the oversized bins, but I think a lot of people feel like they have to spend at least $10 on these to find this size, but that is just not the case. Virtually the same containers are $5 and under at the Dollar Tree. These $3 bins are great for subdividing. They're super perfect inside of pantries. These get a big thumbs up from me for just $3. They're also great inside of kids' closets for those cube shelves I know you have at home. Low profile is the way to be, and we're going to talk about these $1.25 bins. They're marketed to hold your paper, but my friend, that is not what they do best. They are perfect for cans, and did you know Dollar Tree carries organic canned food? There are tons of options now. This is 50% off what you see at Target. Check out this cohesive look. It's cute. At $15, who needs Target? And by the way, the pasta noodles fit perfectly in these as well, and I think the Dollar Tree version rivals Barilla. This food is rated so highly on Dollar Tree's website, and I don't know what this means. Let's discuss it below, but they have the same ingredients listed in the same order on the back. You can save so much. I'm going to link some affordable recipes down below that you can try with your family that are some of our favorites. I need good blogs because I'm not the best cook, but what I am good at is organizing, so I've got some more ideas for you. These are those basics that everybody needs, a way to hang your brooms. Please don't get this at Target. It is $25. I'm sure you know by now that Dollar Tree sells a knockoff broom holder that's awesome. But if you try nothing else from this video, I want you to try this next hack. You can use this for this regular purpose, or you can grab one of these as well as a broom handle from Dollar Tree and cut it down. I use a miter box, but you could just use a sharp knife and then give this a quick coat of spray paint. Now it says right on the package, this can hold up to 4.5 pounds. And this is perfect in a small space, especially the laundry room. I just stick the broom handle right on and it's perfect for all of those lightweight garments as they dry. It's nice and low profile. What would Target charge? I bet not $3. And don't buy the command hooks from Target. I always get these from the Dollar Tree. These are fantastic. Even the off-brand ones are great. They're perfect inside of cabinets to give you extra space, especially combined with a Dollar Tree bin. And if you didn't know, Dollar Tree does sell Command brand. These come in single packs and work great around your house. And get creative. Combine the Dollar Tree off-brand with a bin to store your cords and wires under a desk. The sky is the limit. I don't even really buy the Velcro command strips anymore because Dollar Tree sells a version of these, and they even sell fastener dots. Now this is in the crafting section, and some creative ways to use these are on the sides of picture frames. So if these wobble on the wall on you, once you put this on the back, they're not going to move. They're also really great for hanging kids' artwork and remotes. These are practical at-home organizing tips you can implement right away. So let's move back to under the sink. I love under sink mats, but I do not buy these from Target. They are $15. And while they are good because it helps waterproof underneath of your sink, I have found better options that are just $1. Next time you're in Dollar Tree, look for these shelf liners. These are called magic covers. They work famously underneath of your sink and for $1 provide the same protection. You know me and my Dollar Tree hacks. I just can't stop. I've got a lot more coming, but truly, I can't hate on Target too much because the dollar section is really good. And there's one thing in 2023 I want you to grab, and that is this lint scraper. In a recent video, I shared this Uproot Cleaner Pro. These are $22 and amazing for getting things out of your car, especially hair, dirt, debris. This is $3 in the Target dollar spot, and 100% was my favorite find this year. So Target dollar spot does have it going on in some cases. If you're enjoying this video, would you leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below? That really helps out in the algorithm and helps bring this content to more people just like you. My strategy is to stick in the dollar section if I'm in Target to shop because there are a few organizing gems that are worth your time or they're the same price as Dollar Tree and they bring them back year to year. They're perfect in small spaces. How is your under sink looking, my friend? Does it need a little bit of love? If so, pick up these metal bins from Bullseye's Playground. In other words, the dollar spot at Target. They range from $3 to $5, and what's great is they're stackable. They've had these every year for the last 3 years, and they work really great with vinyl decals. And you remember those chop mats we grabbed at the Dollar Tree? You're going to stick those on the bottom of any wire shelves. I don't care if these are in your pantry, if these are in your linen closet, nothing is going to fall through. It's going to keep it nice and organized. Bullseye's Playground also has great tiered organizers, which are excellent in small spaces and I love for coffee bars. And the Dollar Tree now sells glass canisters. I was kind of surprised to find these, but I really like them more in the Target dollar spot. They're larger and hold more food and look amazing on countertops. Whether you want to use these for snacks, cereal, treats, cookies, and the peel and stick tile beats the Dollar Tree price. You get 60 of these for $5, and I really love the designs and patterns this year. They also have shelf liner, which you can put on a wall. You can put this on a cabinet or even inside. I like testing these things out for you guys so I can tell you what works and what doesn't. I found these to be perfect, especially for renters, and they're waterproof. And speaking of bathrooms, if you're traveling this year, especially for spring break, try these brush holders. I was really impressed with this silicone find. They hold your brushes really well and then it folds over. So when you're on vacation, these are actually going to stand up on your countertop. I loved this one. They also have these amber bottles for $1.50 each. It's a 2-pack for $3, but put a few drops of essential oil in this along with water and it makes the best sheet spray. It also comes with this label, by the way. It takes all the wrinkles out of your sheets with a few quick sprays. It smells incredible. However, be careful of dollar spotted Target bins. These are $5 and Dollar Tree sells the exact same version for $1.25. Also, don't forget to pick up Dollar Tree soap. The Yardley brand is my favorite because it has great throw, meaning the smell is going to carry, and they're amazing in drawers. I love these Dollar Tree drawer organizers, and I stick that bar of soap right in the bottom, especially in a bin for your shoes. These pop-up bins are perfect storage for those, and they're really easy to wipe down because the inside is a vinyl. And in those personal care items, leave some sort of office emoji in the comments below if you like Target office supplies, though I don't recommend buying them from here. They are so expensive, even down to the tape. This is $3.29. You can buy the same thing at the Dollar Tree. And when it comes to notebooks, I want to point this out because a lot of people don't know. The Dollar Tree sells beautiful notebooks that are $1 to $5. Some of them are faux leather, and they have all of the similar designs you are seeing at Target. My personal favorite was this faux leather bound notebook. The weight of the pages, the bookmark, this is 50% savings from Target. Down to the post-it notes too, that look really beautiful. I mean, gosh, this is $1.25 compared to $7. And don't forget about the calendars. I love the 2023 options this year. And one of my favorite tricks is to take a square Dollar Tree frame and a calendar you really like. Then you can change out motivational sayings by your coffee in the morning. If there's a random Target find like these straws that you can find at Dollar Tree, like the same thing, would you leave me a comment down below? I love hearing about them. The Easter stuff at Target is another thing I don't buy. All of this year is at the Dollar Tree. I was impressed with the selection at Dollar Tree, far over Target, and my favorite find were these giant signs. They were $5. How much do you think Target would charge for the same thing? Easter wreaths at Target are $30 to $40. I'm going to show you an easy one that even a non-DIYer can make in just a minute. What I love is the style mimics the Magnolia and Pottery Barn stores. And while you're there getting signs, go ahead and pick up just 2 bunches of roses. These come with chicken wire in the bunny's ears. I really like to do a single cohesive color that looks really nice on the front porch. Just $7, y'all. And don't think that you have to agree with me on everything. Leave me a comment down below. Are there things in the Target dollar spot that you're like, whoa, this is a good deal, Kathryn? Don't forget to miss it. I would love to hear your opinion. If nobody has told you today, you, my friend, are more than enough. I'll catch you soon.